In today's Gospel, Jesus continues the discourse on the Paraclete, the Holy Spirit. And so now Jesus is fully aware that his disciples are very dependent on him. They would have been happy if he remained with them. But he also knows that a good teacher, a good rabbi, a good leader does not allow his disciples, his students, to be dependent on him. And so he tells them clearly that the time has come for him to go back to heaven, to his Father. But he is also aware that they will need help. They will need guidance and an aid. So God sends them this guidance, this help, this aid in the form of the Holy Spirit. Now, by receiving the Holy Spirit, they will receive heavenly wisdom and not earthly wisdom. Now, why do I say heavenly wisdom? Because by receiving heavenly wisdom, the Spirit will prompt them, will help them in three things. The first, the Spirit will help them to realize when they have fallen short. The Spirit will reside in their hearts. And by saying they, I'm actually referring by Jesus teaching his apostles, his disciples. By telling them about the Holy Spirit, Jesus is also telling us, giving us, each one of us, the teaching of the Holy Spirit. And so, the Holy Spirit will reside in our hearts, and we will be able to know when we have fallen short. Fallen short in our relationships. Relationship with God, relationship with our brothers and sisters, and relationship with nature.